You want to attract more money and abundance into your life? Then I have good news for you. If you stumble upon this episode, then chances are the more wealth than you've ever experienced is around the corner, because you are stepping into 5D money consciousness. Today I will go over what 5D money consciousness is and 5 signs that you are actually stepping into 5D money consciousness. I know all about this because when I quit my 9-to-5, I was working as a Swedish online teacher and I was just making $200 a month, really struggling to make ends meet, and it was horrible. So I had to let go of so many money blocks and beliefs in order to get where I am now, having a soul-based business. I earn more now than I did in any of my office jobs, and I only need to work a few hours per month because my income is passive. We're collectively shifting to 5D, a new higher level of consciousness characterized by love, unity, and this applies for money as well. So many people are stuck in the old 3D money consciousness. Some have gone over to the 5D money consciousness, and there's also many people like in between, with one foot in one and one foot in the other. So you might be asking yourself now, so how do I actually know if I am in the 3D money consciousness or 5D? Because we all want to be in the 5D one. And in order to answer your question, we first need to look at 3D money consciousness. What is that actually? 3D money consciousness is all about scarcity, fear, competition. You feel the resources are so limited that you need to hoard, you need to acquire lots of like physical wealth at the expense of others. And money feels like this tool for safety and at the expense of others. And in the 3D, money is seen as the status symbol of security and success. So people are very focused on this external validation and accumulation of wealth. So have you shifted into 5D consciousness? Well, let's see, because here are 5 signs that you are shifting into 5D money consciousness. Sign number 1 is abundant vibes only. You feel abundant, you trust in your ability to manifest. Even if you yet don't have lots of money, you know that you can manifest it, you know that it's to come, and you just trust the universe that the universe will take care of you. And I feel like this sign is so uncommon in the spiritual community because there seems to be a stigma around money, like it's seen as greedy, bad. So these light workers are cutting themselves off from money, from the flow of abundance. Sign number 2 is bye-bye fear, hello trust. You've released most of your fears and attachments around money, because you know that your worthiness and security is not dependent on external wealth. So you feel this nice like inner peace that the universe will provide for you, like we talked about earlier. And this one is definitely something that I've had to work on. When I started my business, I felt like I had to work every single day, every single free moment. And I felt guilty almost doing other things like playing, just having fun, something that wasn't productive. And I had to actually force myself to take days off work and try to be okay with that. So last year I released this by having a New Year's word. My word for last year was balance. I wanted balance in my life, especially between my work and personal life. Sign number 3 that you are shifting into 5D money consciousness is that gratitude is your attitude. You're so grateful for what you have because you realize how far you've come. You might not be a multimillionaire, but you've made progress. You've learned a lot on your professional path. You're also sharing your wealth with others. Perhaps you're donating money to a charity. This is also something I've practiced. So when I had the least money in my life, to open myself up to abundance, I decided every time somebody in the street asked for money, I gave them some money, or something that I had bought in the grocery store. They would usually be outside the grocery store. And I used to not pay for restaurant meals if I go on a date, right? Or I would split it. But then I decided to actually sometimes pay for the whole meal for both people, and also same with friends. And after doing these things, I did see an upswing in my finances, interestingly enough. So I really find that the harder you hold on to your wealth, the harder it is for abundance to flow into your life. Sign number 4 is Team Universe all the way. You feel a sense of connectedness with all humans and beings, and you know that your financial decisions has a ripple effect beyond yourself. You focus on collaboration rather than competition. You want win-win situations, right? I coach people on how to start a spiritual business, and many of them are so scared to put themselves out there on social media, on blog, on YouTube, because they feel like their niche is so saturated. But what I keep telling them is like, you are good. Like, everybody is so unique. Everybody has something unique that they bring to the table. So there's really never any competition. So instead, see how you can collaborate with these competitors of yours, or take inspiration from them. Sign number 5 is that your money is connected with your passion. If there was one key, let's say that this is a key. If there was one key for you to step into your 5D money consciousness, I would say that is your passion. Now, you can connect your passion to money in 2 ways. Either you can use your money to start your passion. Let's say you've always wanted to open like a restaurant, a baked potato food truck, an animal charity, who knows. You can use your money to do that, or your work can be your passion, which is the case for me. I actually no longer need a job thanks to the generosity of you guys. You buy my courses, my ebooks, every time you watch my videos I get ad revenue, or if you read my blog. When you buy from my affiliate links, this all helps support me, and you can do the same. You don't need to have a job that drains you. That is the old paradigm. That's the old 3D money consciousness. If you want to learn exactly how I was able to quit my job and do this full time, then check out my course, Nomad Freedom Academy, link in the description. I've made the main program super affordable. It's literally worth thousands of dollars, but I'm just selling it for a few $100 now. And there's also a platinum package where you actually get coaching with me as well, one-on-one. So I have a few more spots this year for that, so check that out, link in the description. Now I'd love to hear, do you think that you are stepping into 5D money consciousness, or are you more stuck in the 3D or somewhere in between? I'd love to hear. Love you so much and have a beautiful day.